not ready. I'm not ready. Oh, I thought I left this in Texas. It's safer.
What is?
The 1/2 inch, it's better to use a 1/2 inch because you get more leverage. Then you shouldn't use 3/8 on lug nuts. Well, you can't, I mean, I don't know. It's just.
Hi.
Hi.
What are we doing?
Welcome back! We're trying to figure out this stupid rattle that's for my rear brakes. Well, I think it's rear brakes.
Well, hold on. This is a different site. This is not the Trans Am.
Why are you acting like we're telling a story?
Because we're
You're
telling
acting
a
like
story.
a storytelling kids book
This
reader.
is a story.
You're like reading a children's
This
book
is-
to the people watching YouTube.
This,
My viewers, my fans, my friends, my
Okay.
family.
all right.
They're not kids. Anyways.
This is just a different site than what they've seen in this garage.
It's a different piece of crap, is what it is. Anyways, it's got stupid noises and I just want to fix them. But I don't know how. I don't know what the noise is. You hear noise?
The vibration.
The vibrations from the cars. Oh. I don't know, it rattles, over bumps, and then when I hit the brakes, like riding the brakes, or if I'm braking and I hit bumps, it doesn't do it. I don't know, but that control arm is about to snap. Oh my god, it's already broken.
What's happening?
This is already broken.
Where?
We can't
What?
take this car to Michigan.
Why?
I can't drive this car to Michigan if this control arm is breaking. We will be on the side of the road. I'll get a light and show you.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna break any day. All right, that is the problem. Oh, look, it's more cracked than I can see. See the bottom? I can see it on the camera.
Move your head.
It's cracking all the way through. This is ready to put me on the side of the road and ruin my tire. I actually should try and replace this tonight.
Yeah.
Ah, shit. All right. Well, we didn't find. Oh shit. We didn't figure out the rattle, but we found another problem.
There's always another.
So I guess I'll do the oil change and try and replace that control arm. This sucks. Ha ha! Take two. Ha ha ha! This sucks. When you have this tool out, everyone knows it sucks. And I'm wasting gas, just trying to be funny. I think my exhaust isn't here. Because my exhaust being out, I've got all the room in the world to get to this bolt. That's actually probably how you're supposed to get to the bolt, is by taking the exhaust off, because there's a lot more room. So, luckily my exhaust broke off on its own. Oh, I fogged it up. There we go. So much fun.
You have a leak?
I might have to fix that too. You buy the wrong oil filter, and you're just in love with yourself. Oh, scheiße.
What?
I usually spray this off because it's got a lot of nasty old oil in it. Oh, Way a little stronger than that. But it's not. Oh well.
Is that raining?
Is what? What?
Is it raining?
No, it's 3 inches of snow coming down.
Shut up. It is. It's gonna
It's
snow.
not.
It's going to
You're gonna
snow.
owe me a 2014 Camaro SS
No, I'm not.
ZL1 when
no.
I'm right.
No.
That's the bet we made.
No. We didn't make that
Yeah,
bet.
we did. She shook on it.
No. You are such a liar.
If it doesn't rain 3 inches of snow.
Okay, learn how
Oh.
to speak English.
If it doesn't fucking snow doesn't fall 3 inches. She's buying me a 2014 Camaro SS ZL1.
No, I'm really not.
I want a red rider rifle with a bolt action rifle chamber and a grip with a thing on the side that tells time. I want a 2014
Compass.
Camaro SS1 LE with the upgraded suspension and the 6-speed manual transmission.
And the seats.
And rear seats. You'll smoke your clutch, kid.
That was so good.
Would you like some soup? Airbox. And acorn.
You ass.
Check it out.
That's fancy.
Oh my god! There's blood everywhere. He's not gonna make it. I don't know where the leaks come from. It looks like... Oh.
Oh boy.
That's the discombobulator.
What is it?
Discombobulator seal?
I thought it was the rector.
No, that's the rectal blip. Causes are complicated vehicles, you know?
High performance machine.
Yeah. I don't know what that... I don't know, but it looks like it's going from this thing. That's the shifter linkage. So there's a seal there. You have to take off this shifter linkage, I'm assuming, and get that seal. And I don't know how to replace it. Probably some special tool or something. I don't know, but that's it. Case closed. Have you ever put an airbox back in?
No.
Do you know what step 1 is?
No.
Free your torso. I'm just kidding. Just call me.
Free your torso.
Just call me Danny Camber. What's his name? Danny. Oh, Danny.
Who are you? Danny from what?
From Greece.
Oh.
Danny Tamborelli or something.
Oh, what is his name?
Danny Trombone.
Yeah, yes.
It's Norwegian.
Danny.
He's a Norwegian fella and he was tall. Alright, what's this from? And he went to dinner with Beverly. He was a tall man.
I could not tell you that one.
His name was Dunder. It's Dunder Mifflin. The guy, the old man.
What's he say?
He talks about his friend Mifflin. He was a tall man. And who was his first wife? Oh, that's right. He was at dinner with Beverly. They say it in the episode where he's like, why don't you tell David Wallace how you threw out one of the founders on their old butt? He's like, that's when he was talking to BJ Novak, but I can't remember his character's name.
Ryan?
Ryan. He was talking to Ryan when Ryan was manager.
Yeah, I remember this.
Or not manager, he was the
CEO.
whatever the fuck he was. He wasn't CEO. Was it? No, it wasn't CEO. He was like,
Yeah.
he took David Wallace's job. Oh, no, he took Jan's job. He took Jan's job.
Oh, yeah.
She's not CEO.
No, she's not. That's, what's her face? With the dogs.
Oh, well, after they got
Yeah.
taken over.
Yeah. Speaking of The Office.
They haven't watched it in a fucking year.
Actually, I watched it today.
I haven't watched it with you.
No, that's
You
correct.
have my Xbox.
Okay. We don't need to broadcast this information.
Yeah, we do. You took it.
I didn't take. Okay.
I woke up one morning and my Xbox is gone.
You're
such. I looked at my bedside.
Oh
and,
my
thanks,
God.
babe. I'll see you tomorrow.
You're such a liar.
You're okay.
Corey.
I know your games.
Corey. That is not how that went down.
You know what? Anna's dad, if you're watching this. Give me a box!
That's not what I was gonna say. What I was going to say was...
You can have your Xbox back?
No? Okay. No. Oh my God.
Oh shit, I gotta tighten that. Really exciting shit here. Going YouTube famous pouring this oil. Famous.
You might, with you looking like Danny.
Super sick famous. Danny Tamborelli, I think his name is.
Okay. Okay, Google.
Okay, Google. It's not gonna hear me.
No.
Ask stupid Siri.
Go.
AKA on Grease.
I'm listening.
On Grease, who did... What's that guy's name? Character?
Seems like I cut you off. Can you please repeat that?
John Travolta, the movie Grease.
Here's Grease with John Travolta.
Okay, what's it say in their description?
John Travolta. It doesn't even say his character's name in this.
You gotta click like movie description.
It does not say.
You know, him and Sandy.
It does not say his thing.
I think it was Danny Tamborelli.
Okay, we have to... How do you work this thing?
I don't know, it's your shitty iPhone. You should know.
Shut up, Corey. Oh my God, it just says his first name. It just says Danny. We were really off.
What is it?
Zuko.
Danny Zuko?
Yeah.
Wow, I was way off.
We were way.
Samsonite! I was way off. Do you know what that's from? Dumb and Dumber.
Corey, you know I haven't seen them.
You haven't seen... I'm leaving. Keep the Xbox. Watch fucking Dumb.
I'm at your house.
Yeah, well. You could have locked me out there.
I was not going... Ew.
Shine the light in there for him.
Oh, he's got it, yeah.
I don't know if it's all the way through. Because this is not... No, this is where it's the fun part. Now I'm getting all the way up in here. You want me to jack the back of the car up higher? You think getting that side is...
Make it chunky.
Make it chunky? I don't know.
Like clips.
Oh, yeah, I guess. We'll take two. So, we didn't do any car repairs.
I don't think I'm in this. I think it's too directed at you.
It's not. I saw the first clip that we just did, and you're in it. We did no car repairs. We're at the bar. We went to a Cavs game. We lost
By 2 points.
by 2 points.
It was close. It was really close.
So, okay, cool. Maybe car repairs tomorrow.
Well, we have to.
Actually, yeah, we have to, because we have to drive my car to Michigan.
Yeah. We're gonna need the car.
More Mazda crap
I
tomorrow.
really don't want to drive this car.
I know, we'll drive my car. the nightmare is over. Touchdown.